Hello everyone. In this video we people are going to discuss what are the data types are used in C program. Every program required to process the data. Then data type can define as a type of data of variable or constant are available in the program. Means as we can define, as I consider one variable, as I want to define the which type of data can be handled by your variable, then we people are using here as a data type. Then there are three types of data types are available in a C. First one is basic data type, another one is derived type of data type, third one is user defined data type. Then as I consider the character data type. What do you mean by character data type? The character data type are the data type which can accept data in a form of alphabet. It may accept A, it may accept B, it may accept C, it may accept D, or special case symbol, that is dollar or pound or any other symbol, dot dot dot. While as I consider here the integer are the data type which having responsibility to accept a value. It consists of it does not consist of a fractional part. So I consider 10, here is 20, after that here I consider it's a 30 and so on. While the floating type are the data type which are having responsibility to accept a value. It consists of some fractional part. So I consider 10.01 comma, then my another value is 10.35 and so on. Okay, this type of values are accepted by the floating type data type. When I consider the derived type, derived type of data type are generated or developed with the help of basic data type. Then here I consider array. Array is a collection of similar types of data. So here we can consider an array with inside the derived types of data type. What do you mean by pointer? Pointer tells to us when we want to fetch the data. Then we people are using two types of technique, that is with the help of value itself, or we can fetch data with the help of its address information. Then that concept can be say as a pointer. It is a powerful concept which is available in C program. After that, structure is opposite to an array. Here we can call similar types of data, but in structure we can call different types of data. We will discuss what do you mean by structure, what do you mean by array. Here there is something wrong. Here is a function. My next data derived types of data type is function. Then function is a one type of sub program which having responsibility to convert your program into the sub program. Then it can easy to understand. It can divide your program into the small program. It can easily compile, so we can use here as a function. This four data type can be worked like as a derived type of data type. Why user defined data type are the enum as well as type defined. We will discuss after some time. Okay, basic data type. First is character type of data type. The character type of data type also used to control alphanumeric symbol. It may be uppercase letter, it may be lowercase letter, or it may be some extra special case symbol. Then here I declare the syntax of a character data type. So character data type declare with the help of char character space your variable name. So I consider my variable name first. Then character is a data type space variable 2. Then character is a data type, then variable 3. Or we can commonly declare inside the single data type declaration, that is character variable name comma variable name 2 variable name 3. For example, if I want to declare one alphabet, so I write character space alphabet. I transfer one one character into the alphabet variable, so I can transfer a into the alphabet. It is not compulsory, we can transfer only a, we can transfer any special case symbol also, we can transfer small a also, we can transfer small z also, whatever it may be, but single character is going to transfer into your variable. So this is your data type, while this one is your alphabet. After that, the character format specifier is %c, because when I consider my printf statement, then printf statement consists of two parts. Then first part can say as a message, while another part can say as a value. So this portion can say as a value, while this portion can say as a message. If I want to represent my value inside the message, then I require format specifier. So here I write consider %c, then I call the value of capital A inside the message. Then in character we people are using %c as a format specifier. Now next basic data type is the integer type of data type. The integer type of data type declare with the help of keyword, that is int. Okay, then integer type of data type can accept only whole number, which does not consist of fractional part or does not consist of any type of decimal point. While as I consider the syntax of an integer, say integer is my data type, while I declare variable 1, then integer variable 2, integer variable 3, while I can combinely declare all these three variables in this manner, that is integer variable 1 comma variable 2 comma variable 3. Then as I consider the example of an integer data type, so I consider integer, then roll number, I assign one value to the roll number, that is 23. Okay, similarly when I consider here as a printf statement, then we already discussed printf statement consists of two parts, are separated by the comma. Here there is a double quotation mark, under double quotation mark you can write anything that can say as a message, while without double quotation mark you can write as a value. When you want to call your value inside the message, and you can declare your variable with the help of integer data type, then you people are used here as a %d. So here you write simply %d, means single value can be called inside the message. Okay, then we will discuss the various examples which are based on character as well as integer. Now next thing is float data type. Float data type is equivalent to integer data type, but the difference is that it can accept a value which consists of decimal point, or it consists of fractional part. This is my whole number. If I write 10.00, this type of value is accepted by your float. Then the syntax of float is float variable 1, then float variable 2, then float variable 3. If we can combine this all three variables, then I write float variable 1 comma variable 2 comma variable 3. As I consider example of float, so I write float percentage. Here I transfer my percent value into the percentage variable. Then similarly here I consider printf statement. Here is my separator, here is a message part inside the double quotation mark, and here is a value. Here I write a message part. Okay, then if I want to call this value inside the message and my variable declare as a float, then I can use %f. So here I use %f. This %f called single value. In this way we can declare the float data type. Okay, now we people are moving toward the derived types of data type. These are the vast concept, that is array, the collection of similar types of data. Pointer means we can call our data with the help of value or with the help of address. Structure is a collection of different types of data, while function, it is one type of subprogram. This topic we will discuss after some moment, means after in a next lecture. So now as I consider the third category of data type, that is user defined data type. There are two types of user defined data type. First one is enum data type, another one is type definition data type. Then what do you mean by enum? Enum means it's a enumeration, that is abbreviation of enum is enumeration. We can use this keyword to declare and initiate the sequence of integer constant. Okay, we want to declare here integer constant. After that, the syntax of enum is enum, then here we write one data type, then your constant, then you can define here a number of constant. The main advantage of enum is, if you don't initialize your constant, means you cannot initialize your constant in your program, then each one would be a unique value. So constant 1 having unique value, constant 2 having unique value, constant 3 having unique value, while constant n having a unique value. First would be a 0, rest would be count upward, means initially your constant value is starting from 0, after that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So here in this example, what we are to do here, I write enum, then I declare fe, then sc2, 3, 4. Then continuously your value is going to print. Now the next data type is type definition. When I consider the type definition, in C programming language, user can define identifier that represent existing data type, while as I consider the user defined data type identifier later will be used as a declare variable. It means that here integer is a predefined data type. If I want to use here as a role as a data type which can be performed same operation which is equivalent to integer, then I use here as a type definition. Then here I consider PER. PER is a one variable or identifier. If I assign some properties to PER which is equivalent to float, then I declare type definition float space PER. Then instead of integer, here I write as a role. If I cannot use this particular command, then here I write integer. So here I write as a integer. If I can use this, then integer is not allowed. Instead of integer, you can write here as a role. It is applicable. While here I can write type definition float percentage, that is PER. PER hold all property of float, means you can say as PER is work like as a float. So here I write, instead of float I write here as a PER std1 stud2. In this way we people discuss the data type. Data type can be defined the nature of your data which can be assigned to the one, with the nature of your value which can be assigned to the one particular variable. As I consider, there are three categories of data type. One is user defined, after that derived type, then basic. Basic again divided to three types, that is integer, character and float, while derived type can be having four categories: array, structure, pointer and function, while user defined data type can be divided into two categories: enumeration and type definition. Thank you for watching my video. We will discuss various examples with the help of programming language which is based on this particular topic. Thank you.